Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to delete Inshot app. First of all, you can open the Inshot application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply now click on the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen. And here you can just simply scroll down and you cannot find the option to delete your Inshot account because the Inshot doesn't provide any feature to delete your account permanently. So if you want to delete your Inshot account permanently, you can just simply go to the home screen and switch off the app. And now you can just simply hold on the Inshot app. You can now tap on remove app, and here you can just simply uninstall the app by tapping on delete app. And this is a way after deleting the app you can delete your Inshot app account. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, try using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.